Want that big time money? Want that big time money? Well, come get that big time money with Nick. Haha. Like and subscribe. Boom! Now, let's go make some money! Nick back here with another insane video! Woo! This one I am going to show you exactly what to do to make $500,000 in 1 year. That's right, folks. $500,000 in 1 year. Now, this is not just a 1x ROI, it's not a 2x ROI, it's not even a 5x ROI. This funnel is a 10x ROI, making $500,000. You've got to see it. Just watch the video, click the link in the description, and let's go! Woo!
As you guys can see, I've been hard at work. This is a massive funnel I've been running for a while now. If you want to learn more, I will tell you how to learn more about what I'm doing here. But let me refresh real quick. Boom, baby. Boom. Literally, guys, that's in the last 12 months, $500,000. And in the last 1 month, that's 300 grand from one funnel. One funnel, and that's massive profits, okay? The profit margin on this is over 10x ROI, which is unheard of. And how I'm doing this.
Hey, listen, I've been using this system from Benjamin to get insane results, and it's super easy. And the great thing is, anyone can do it. I mean, anyone. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go!